Hi my YouTube friends, Monica here with MyWyoStyle. Remember, God loves you. Today I'm going to show you how to make real cheese crackers. Come along, let's get it done. All you have to do is get a package of any kind of cheese you prefer. I am going to use sharp cheddar. You will need to have a silicone mat to do this, so that way your cheese does not stick to your cookie sheet. And just half them at the edge if you need to, like this. We are going to bake these at 350 degrees until they are brown and crispy. Turn the tray around so that way your cheese bakes evenly. Pull them out of the oven when they reach this golden perfect consistency. They are best when they are golden and kind of crispy. That is the best cracker ever. I just use a pizza cutter. I think that this is the easiest way to cut them. You can cut them in any size that you want, but I just basically cut each square into 4 pieces. I think this is the perfect size. You can put tomatoes on it, avocados, some lunch meat, anything that you desire. Our other favorite cheese to use is pepper jack. They make the perfect in-between meal snack. Store these in the refrigerator until you're ready to eat them, but bring them out and set them at room temperature for about 15 to 20 minutes is the best way that we like them. Well guys, thank you again for watching the video, and as always, may God bless you.